Hey, today we're going to be making fried plantain. You'll need three things: a ripe plantain, a bowl, and a knife. Before you start cutting the plantain, place a pan with enough oil to coat the bottom on high heat. Try to use a neutral tasting oil like canola or vegetable oil. To peel the plantain, cut off both ends and then cut a slit down the side. You'll be left with a long cylinder-like shape. Go ahead and slice the plantain however you like. I prefer small triangular sized pieces, but you can cut any size you want. Fried plantains are irresistibly sweet. They have this incredible caramelized texture and sweet flavor that melts in your mouth. They're actually a member of the banana family, but they must be cooked before eating. When the oil begins to shimmer, but not smoke, go ahead and add the plantain. You want to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, flipping every minute or so. After the plantains reach a nice golden brown color, they're done. At this step, you'll want to go ahead and remove them from the pan and drain them on a paper towel placed inside of the bowl. If you like, you can sprinkle some salt to give a sweet and salty taste, but if you just want to dig in, serve and enjoy.